Get yourself a little bit of rest, maybe zip some water. Next one we're gonna do, go to the down face dog. All right, you guys good? Perfect, spread your fingers wide, and all you need to do, just step back with your right foot with tucking toes, raise this left knee like a sprinting position, step back with your left foot, and go ahead, walk in this down face dog. Breathe. Get that chest close to your butt, to your knees. Now raise your right leg up, step forward, drop that knee down, push yourself up. If you experience knee pain, try to put some pad if still pain.